Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In today's short tutorial, I want to share with you how you can hide the stock level that's shown in WooCommerce pages. So, for example, if you upload a product on your WooCommerce website, and when you scroll down, you can see something like this that say how many in stock. But I believe for some WooCommerce owners or shop owners, you may want to hide this number of stock. Okay, so how you can do that is that you can log in to your dashboard and go to WooCommerce, and under WooCommerce click on settings, because there's a lot of settings in WooCommerce, so sometimes you may not be able to find the right place to adjust this visibility. So click on products. So after you have clicked on the products page, and then the next step is to click inventory. Scroll down the inventory, you should see there's a label that says stock display format. So for this option, select never show quantity remaining in stock. So save changes. So once you have saved changes, just go back to the product page and refresh the page. Now then when you scroll down, you will just say in stock. So this is how you can hide the number of stock in your WooCommerce product page. So just go to settings, then go to products, then inventory. Over here, you can adjust the stock display format. So hopefully this tip is useful for you. And if you have any questions regarding WooCommerce, feel free to post in the comments area below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.